Hi to all my YouTube friends. Thank you guys for coming back. I'm so excited. We're going to make this patriotic wreath for the front door. You're going to need 2 of these LED star lights from Dollar Tree, some of this patriotic ribbon, and some of these bows that are also from Dollar Tree. These are actually gift bows, so you'll find those over by the gift wrap. You need them in red, white, and blue, and you'll need some chevron pipe cleaners and some coordinating ribbon. I chose the red glitter. So the first thing I did is I took my ribbon and I cut 11. You will get 11 out of one roll of ribbon here. So you just use 3 stars, 3 stripes, cut it right past the 3rd star, and they'll all be the right length for you. Then I'm going to take my glitter ribbon and I cut these to 6 inches long. You're going to need 3 for each bow, so you're going to need 33. So it did take 2 packs of the glitter ribbon to have enough. So what you're going to do is you're going to make an X through the center, and then you're going to take the 3rd one and lay that right through the middle, and then fan fold these into the middle, and then just attach it with a pipe cleaner. Make sure your ties are in the back so that you can attach these to your metal wreath form, which I also purchased from the Dollar Tree. So I made 11 of these. I only used 9 for the actual wreath, and 2 are left over for the top to make a decorative tie. So using hot glue, I just pulled the backing off of these bows, and I chose to do a whole blue section like the stars, and then I'm going to use the ribbon in between each color here, and then I decided to do red and white like stripes all the way around the wreath here. So I just tied these around the little frame and slide it up, and then I do 2 red flowers, a bow, 2 white flowers, and then a bow. It's going to take 4 red flowers and 4 white flowers for each section. Then I take my lights and I just tie them with the ribbon to the front of the wreath here, and then I use a pipe cleaner to attach the battery door to the back, and it works just perfectly. So then here's my 2 extra ribbons at the top. I just made it decorative, and I just took the 2nd roll of ribbon and looped it through the wreath here to create the hanger, and I just attached it to a nail up at the top, and it lights up. It's really cute, you guys. It fills up the door beautifully. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.